There are several ways that YouTubers can make money from their videos. 1. Ad revenue. YouTubers can earn money from ads placed on their videos. When a viewer clicks on an ad, the YouTuber earns a certain amount of money. 2. Sponsored content. Companies will often pay YouTubers to promote their products or services in their videos. 3. Affiliate marketing. YouTubers can earn money by linking to products or services in their videos and then receiving a commission from sales generated by their viewers. 4. Subscriptions. Viewers can subscribe to a YouTuber's channel for a monthly fee. This subscription fee gives access to special content or perks that regular viewers don't get. 5. Selling merchandise. YouTubers can create and sell products like t-shirts, mugs, and other items to their viewers.